Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 working on this Mini that we bought a couple of weeks ago for £750. Yeah, and so far, what's happened in the past week, Stuart?
We have done the exhaust, the brakes, and we gave it a good check over.
And what else happened?
We got an MOT.
It did, it passed
It
its
can
MOT.
legally go on the roads now.
It can legally drive on British roads again, which means we get to go for a run.
Yeah, I'm taking that drive.
After we've done this. Now the times we get it tarted up for selling it.
Yep.
And then maybe take it a wee test drive if we've got time.
I might keep it.
You want to keep it? You love this car,
Yeah,
don't you?
like it.
I want to move on to the next one.
I want this one. And the next one.
First job of the night was to get the car outside and washed before taking it back inside for a full machine polish and start prepping those wheels for a fresh coat of paint. However, that didn't exactly go to plan.
We got the car cleaned.
Yes.
And what happened when we were cleaning the car?
It cleaned up really well.
It cleaned up really well.
No, there was good points and bad points.
Yeah.
We did find a wee bit of lacquer peeling.
So we've decided not to polish it.
Yeah.
Well, machine polish
Machine
it.
polishing it, because I think it's just going to peel up that lacquer and
Yeah.
make it worse. And I really don't want to place the bonnet.
But highlight of the wash. So I went to wash the wheels because
We're going to
gonna
paint them. So we thought, give them a quick wash before we then take them off, give them a sand, give them a paint, and
They're mint.
the other mint.
They're absolutely mint. Well, they've got a few
They've still got
marks.
carbon marks on them, but all the dirty marks have come off them and they're back to white.
They're white.
Yeah, there's actually no point like cleaning them
So
or
what we're going to do, we're going to give it a quick,
dry it, give it a quick hand polish,
I'm going to do the headlights,
and then I think we might take it a drive.
take it a wee drive.
I'll put insurance on it, so.
Did you?
So, with the excitement of maybe being able to drive this thing tonight, I decided to belt out the headlights using the Meguiar's 2-step headlight restoration kit, while Stuart went ahead and just cleaned the entire car. Step 1 was to clean the headlight with the included polish and pad. This stuff is almost like a cutting compound and will leave the headlight looking dull, but most importantly, clean. Wipe off the cleaner, and all you have left to do now is spray on the coating, and it's looking much better.
Well, Stuart,
We're driving.
first drive in the Mini.
We're driving.
How does it feel?
I love this car.
You love it?
I'm not selling it.
We are selling it.
No. Yeah,
we are
this is
selling
now the Stuart car hoarding show. And everything we built I'm keeping. Imagine this was an R53. Like an actual supercharged Cooper S.
Maybe one day, but no this one.
To keep it till then. I actually really like this car. It's really nice. We've had some fun. It goes really well. There's no rattles, there's no bangs. It steers straight. There's no lights. It's really, really nice. It sounds great. It's actually comfortable.
That is actually quite comfortable, and even as a passenger, you've got
I wouldn't
plenty of
fancy
space.
being a backseat passenger, but it's actually a really nice car.
It is nice. I've actually enjoyed my time in it.
I'm going to be sad. Somebody's getting a nice car.
Someone will be
I just
getting
like
a nice
playing with the
car.
buttons. You know. Yeah, I like this car.
Well, it might not be the most exciting supercar in the world.
No.
It might not have 1,000 horsepower.
No, but it's light, it's chuckable, it revs. It revs happily to 6,000 RPM. Happily. And yeah, it's smooth. They're not the greatest things to look at, Minis. They're quite... They don't please me to the eye, but they're a proper driver's car. The windscreen being short and really wide, it curves round, there's lots of glass, speedo right in the middle, rev counter right in front of you, the gearbox. It's a lovely, lovely driver's car. I really do like Minis. Soft spot. You did well.
I did well. So, am I allowed to buy cars?
You can keep buying Minis.
I can't keep buying Minis. Okay.
Minis. No, this is actually a really, really good car.
So,
Really happy.
I think this is going to be the last video on the Mini. We made 3 videos on this car.
Yeah, it was a really easy car to do. Like, there was nothing really needed done. That brakes and exhaust. That was it.
This car
A
goes
clean.
up. This car goes up for sale, and we move on to the next one.
I get to buy the next car.
Yes, you do.
What are we going to buy?
I wonder.
Mini.
Don't buy a bloody Mini.
This is the Mini channel now, guys. The Minis are us. Nah, I don't know what I'm going to buy. I'm going to keep it a surprise.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've got a couple of things I'd like to have.
Okay.
Doesn't mean we can afford it because we
What
have.
is that flash?
I don't know.
Oh, it's because the wipers are on, isn't it?
Yes.
That's distracting.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what it will be. I've got a few things in mind. I don't know what our budget will be. It depends what this sells for.
Yeah.
Like, we're going to put this up for 1,500.
Let's see what
I
we
think
get.
it's worth £1,500. Like, it is a lovely car. It is really clean. It's an honest car. There's a couple of marks on it, a couple of scrapes, a tiny dent. But it's solid. All its previous MOT histories have been solid as well. Like, there's nothing scary or dodgy about this car whatsoever.